Judy Waguthii ni muhotani wa ngoga ya silver mathako-ini ma thi uru-ini wa ngundi akiandikithia uhotani uyu bururi-ini wa Switzerland mwaka uyu. Nyarari ino ya miaka 33 aigite thi athaki ya muthako wa gonya guku bururi-ini Janet Okelo na Sinaida Aura aria mathakagira timu ya Kenya Lionesses. Judy ainukirie mucii kimanjika gia ciringi 100,000 o ndumwe na iheo ingi ta TV ya IG42 kuma kuri kambuni ya Star Times.
It's an inspiration. It's something. It's motivating us as sports because sometimes we feel Kenya. We are so many athletes of us, so we feel like somehow forgotten. But with Star Times, it's a great thing. Like you're still giving us a push to keep on pushing. I'm so grateful for remembering me and telling me to continue working hard.
Kugi mihango yothe ya gibiacara ni rugamire tauni-ini ya Kakamega gukungwira imwana cia thukuru wa Kakamega High School magicoka na mucii thutha wao kuhotana gikombe mubira-ini wa maguru mathako-ini ma mathukuru ma secondary maria marathiaga na mbere mucii-ini wa Eldoret cukuru-ini wa Hill School. Mwalimu munene wa thukuru uyu o ndumwe na kocha wa Kakamega the Green Commandos marina witikio na magakorwo magika wega makiria ngucanio cia gitaro kia East Africa cia mathukuru ire iri Rwanda mweri twerekeire.
It has not been an easy journey towards victory. We have ensured strict discipline and hard work in terms of training.
We promise to work hard as we go for our East African Games. We were position 3 in East Africa, and we promise the trophy that is evading us is the East African one, and we want to work extra hard so that we become position 1.
Handu-ini ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.